Hello learners. Last video we have gone through the introduction of arrays in JS. In this video, let's look at and practice some codes of arrays in JS. First question is create an array of 5 fruits and print the second and third fruits. In this question we have simply created an array fruits and printed item at index 1 and 2. As the index in array starts with 0. So, item at index 1 is the second element and item at index 2 is the third element. Next question is, in an array add an element at the end and also remove the first element. In this question, to add the element at the end of the array we just have to push the element by writing the syntax. Array name followed by a dot then push and in brackets write the element name. To remove the first element of an array we just need to use shift. Next question is, create an array cities and iterate and print each values using loops. The solution is simple, just we have used one for loop and run it till arrays.length. Coming to the next question, find the maximum number in a given array. In the solution part we have considered the element at 0 index as the maximum and stored it inside a variable max. Now within the loop we are comparing it with all the other values and updating the value of the max if any item is greater than max. At the end of the loop we are printing the value of max. In the next question we are creating an array and reversing the array just using the dot reverse method. In the next question we are checking whether the element is present in the array or not using the includes method. Followed by which we are using index of method to get the index of any particular item present in the array. Now let's look at how we can combine an array of strings into a sentence using join method. You will find the source code for all this question in the description box. Do practice these types of questions to master JavaScript array methods. Do not forget to give your valuable suggestions in the comment box. This was all in this video. Thanks for watching this video. Like this video, share with your friends and subscribe to this channel.